maintain the life, look, and value of your motorcycle for years to come. Learn more at slickproductsusa.com.
Hi, I'm Mark Tilley, and welcome back to Dirtbike Magazine's video series, Year 21, where we take you up close and personal with all the 2021 250 motocross models available in the US. Today, we're getting our first chance to ride the Husky FC250. For 2021, the Husky FC250 got some minor updates when it comes to the power plant, but the big news here is all about the suspension. The suspension overall has been lowered 10 millimeters. WP shortened the cartridge and the fork tube up front and then changed the shock head and the linkage in the rear. The idea was to give it a lower center of gravity, hopefully making it a little bit easier to ride. This model also features minor updates throughout. If you want those in-depth details, head over to dirtbikemagazine.com, or if you're watching this on YouTube, click the link in the description. That's enough talking. Let's go ride this thing. So we just got done with our first day of testing on the 2021 Husky FC250. No major surprises in the engine department. The bike is a rever. It likes to be rode aggressively. The optional open air box, the bike is gonna perform a little bit better, but you do have to rev this motorcycle to see the benefits of it. We do like the map switch on the fly, the hydraulic clutch, strong braking power, but we've come to like those over the years, and we kind of expect that from Husky. The big surprise here was the suspension and the handling. Every test rider has come back saying that they like 10 millimeter lower setup. It feels like it gives the bike more controllability, more connectability to the track, and that's with riders that are on the shorter side and riders that are, 6 feet and taller. The changes made to the fork internally by WP for the 2021 model year are a huge improvement over last year, mostly in rider comfort. Better and more responsive on small chop without having that harsh feel that the air fork has had in the past, and overall rider comfort was improved. So again, this is our first day of testing on the motorcycle. We like the 10 millimeter lower effect overall for this bike, and we can't wait to put a lot more testing time in on this motorcycle. We're gonna mess around with gearing and maybe some more suspension settings, and then before we know it, we're gonna be going into our 21 MX shootout and putting this bike up against all the rest of the manufacturer's models. So stay tuned for that. If you got a little bit more time on your hands, see what we've uploaded so far on our Year 21 250 playlist. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest releases.